Everything was peachy keen in the neighborhood until this happened.
Hey, a guitar! No!
The epidemic spread across everywhere.
What's up, dude?
It happened to boys. It happened to girls. It even happened when you least expected it.
Don't touch the doorknob!
Sometimes an evil girl would laugh. The government has chosen 3 soldiers to fight the epidemic.
What?
Let's just hope these soldiers stop it. Ow.
Hey, doorknob!
No! Okay, 3 other soldiers have been chosen. That is not one of them. Ah, that's better. Never mind. Let the public deal with it. And now, for an explosion montage.
I wanna play! The explosion!
Say, have you seen the new shampoo?
What?
No, please don't kill me! I'm too young. I'd love to see you.
Dude, that's totally not. No, you do not deserve it. Don't want to start with me. You do not totally deserve it. Food is safest in this time of mockery. It's time to die.
You said oh, you're here for another tattoo, I see. Okay, let's start. You're here for another tattoo, I see. Okay, let's start. You're here for another tattoo, I see. Okay, let's start.
And 1. And stop.
I'm here to save the day!
Hey, a text message.
No!
Nothing happened.
The end. I think.